On the recurring issue of loss of lives of citizens on federal roads in Edo State, the lawmaker accused the Federal Ministry of Works of negligence.
I must tell this, most respectfully, you have failed abysmally in your responsibility.
This bridge is directly connected to my local government. That's why I decided to ask you also, because you think it's just because people are telling you.
For that part, you have that Abuchi, Igara, the definition of your activity is to maintain the road in good condition. Why does it always need to deteriorate to the extent life are lost?
The Federal Controller of Works, Edo State, Babatunde Hassan, blamed early failure of the roads to the topography nature of the state and lack of proper funding.
That 75 billion that we're talking about, sir, is a proposal. It has not been approved.
The Speaker, Blessing Agbebaku, then announced the House resolution.
Please, Mr. Controller, I am saying that you should carry that message to the appropriate operator. Please do so.
Also, a motion by member representing Orhionmwon East, Orhionmwon, and co-sponsored by member representing Orhionmwon South, Bright Iyamu, drawing government attention to the economic effects of absence of power supply in Orhionmwon constituency for the past 5 years.
My people has been in darkness for more than 5 years without electricity. Mr. Speaker, in Orhionmwon as a whole, when there is no light, there is no life.
However, the Benin Electricity Distribution Company, BEDC, was fingered in the issue by other lawmakers and asked the state government to extend its Orhionmwon power plant initiative to other parts of the state. The Speaker, Blessing Agbebaku, then assured to channel the appeal to the state government. Favour Osaro, ITV News.